lives, a better economy towards a prosperous nation. At this auspicious event, we have witnessed the people of Bulawayo Metropolitan Province showcasing their unique traditional cuisines. Let me thank you, Mana Mama, you are just the best. The celebrations come at a time when the nation is trying to recover from the distressing impacts of COVID-19 pandemic, and the tourism sector was not spared from the impact of COVID-19 as we experienced a drastic fall in both receipts and arrivals. Despite the challenges which the sector has been exposed to, it remains resilient, and efforts are underway to come up with means to increase the diversity of product offering, with the Cookout initiative as one of the efforts to increase product diversity in our offerings. The traditional Cookout competitions program was pioneered by our very own First Lady of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Amai Auxilia Mnangagwa, in 2021. Looking at the results to date, I would like to thank Her Excellency Amai Mnangagwa for coming up with this noble initiative. The initiative was born out of the realization that consumption of indigenous foods has been on a decrease in our country, as most people are opting for fast foods, exposing our citizens to the negative after effects of some processed foods.